This is Patar, Bolinao Pangasinan, the white sand beach. We are crossing a little bridge.
Ano? Sabi na, ano? Sinabi ko.
Artificial yung white sand niya.
Diba?
Ligo.
May yelo tayo.
So this is the white sand beach here in Patar, Bolinao, Pangasinan, Philippines. From here, if you will going to go down the water, you can see what is inside the water. I don't know how far you can see what is inside. Today is January 1, 2024. But still you could see several swimmers and excursionists, maybe vacationists, who are here spending their New Year's Day. This Patar Beach here at Bolinao is located at the western part. This is part of the China Sea. Compared to the beach at the Boracay. At the Boracay, you cannot see waves, but here there are waves. So I think that's the difference of having this area compared to the Boracay. Boracay is surrounded by islands, so that's why you cannot see waves. But here, if you want to see waves, experience the waves, here you can experience them. At the moment, the waves are still small. I don't know after maybe this afternoon or evening, if how big are the waves here, or are how high. The time is 10 a.m. and probably there are around 500 people here in this area of Patar. So this is the thing that you can see here at Patar, Bolinao, Pangasinan. So if you are enjoying to swim at the seaside, you can have it here. This is one of the tourist spot here in part of Pangasinan.